Guys, this is third part of your body which is of 500 word to 600 word worth. Okay, you need to write 500 to 600 words. So take business case. Okay, business case, one business case related to the network adoption recommendation that you made. Maybe you might have proposed some XYZ technology for the organization, right? So you consider that one and a real life scenario of that particular issue, that particular adoption, and discuss one or more than one issue. Okay, identify one particular issue and discuss about it. So what is the issue, and how it can be resolved, and based on which, what kind, based on that kind of information, what could be your suggestion. So for example, you take one cloud computing related scenario and you discuss about it. For example, maybe we are using, for example, this is for example for my case. Okay, so let me consider that I am using a cloud based web application to operate my online retail sales. Okay, so now considering this, it was identified that there are certain data leakage related to the customer information, and I identify that this was leaked because of the selection of unauthorized or like inappropriate cloud service provider maybe. Okay, so because of that this kind of issue happened. Now I will discuss how that kind of problem was resolved, and what are the appropriate measures and recommendations that we can make to the organization to overcome such issues in future. Okay, this is all about the topic. It's a very simple topic. I want you people to write it in hardly 500 to 600 words. Okay, between 500 and 600 words, not less than 500. Okay, you give nice scenario, good explanation about the business case. What is the problem? Why it happened? What is the organization? You can cross check. You will get definitely get some real time issues related to the topic that is mentioned. Okay, so you will be evaluating how the problem was resolved, and you will be making some kind of recommendations as your own perspectives. Okay, this is all about the document. Then you write about introduction and conclusions. So introduction speaks about what is the general topic, what is the specific topic, how you conducted research, and what are the identifications, what are the results that you have achieved, and what are your conclusions. Sorry, I guess I missed it. Introduction speaks about what is the general topic, what is the specific topic, what you tried to prove, what are the results achieved. You don't speak about results achieved, what are the proposed theories, and what you are expecting to achieve. That's it for the introduction. And in conclusion, we speak about what is general topic, what is specific topic, what is planned to achieve, what you achieved, and your conclusions, your perceptions. Okay, this is all about your document, guys. Fix it properly. If you got any queries, please ask me. Okay, thank you.